Bro, yung ano, Weaver.
Bernard, kayo lang? Ha? Sino isa? Darwin. Darwin, andyan. Nakapirma na lahat yan.
Ito?
Ay sila? Team ano yan?
Point. Napicturan yung kanina.
Picture mo na. Oo, picture mo na. Ito nga rin long header.
Ha?
Kulang? Kulang sila. Oo, yan, matitipod na.
Kulang kayo?
Lahat eh.
Bro, ano mo? Family name? Social. 15?
Paano wala sa team point?
Andyan yun. Kulang?
Nandiyan mo, makita ko naman. Ito, point. Paano wala? Ay, ito pala. Yung mga asterisk. Yung mga asterisk, wala pang pirma. Pero hindi ko naman nakikita eh. Nasulat mo na dito? Yung ano? Nasulat mo na. Ayan, nandiyan.
Hindi, nakapirma na. Jeremy Korea. Jeremy Biot? Kasama nila si Jeremy Biot?
Sama ba yan?
Ha?
Sama ba yan dyan?
Nandun yata sa Pinas, di ba? Si Jeremy? Biot? Andun sa Pinas?
Hindi, may...
Ay, si Bion, hindi raw maglalaro.
Sakit ang likod.
Kasi yung likod. Kita ko sa, ano,
Retire na daw, retire.
Tara. Steven Card.
Erwin, bro, ang bola ito! Erwin!
Steven Card. Steven Card.
Steven Card? Wala pa eh. Di ba? Pero may
Wala,
William.
busy daw yan, busy.
Nakita ko rin kahapon. Serious. Sisira ka ng condition ko. Hindi natin ito. Serious.
Asan? Wala man.
Wala pa, hindi pa nga magsalita sa amin eh. Para sa ano po line up. Ewan ko kay Kento niya kasi sabi namin Kento niya.
Ilusgan nyo lang tapos pagpirmahin nyo kung nandito.
Let's talk pa.
Papadong ka talaga. Wala. Oh, no.
Wala pa po, hindi pa nagpapalit si ano eh. Magpapakita sa akin, hindi pa naglalaro sa amin sa tatlo. Si Jeremy. Oy, nandito.
Sige.
Five minutes warm up! And again, second game for tonight. Scorpion Knight versus the Team Point team.
Point ang home. Same point home. Scorpion Knight guest.
Scorpion Knight guest and Team Point is home. Forward the game. And same as always, let's keep the game clean and fun at the end of the ball game. Outside the court, we have our brothers. Referee's decision is final. Please respect the referee's decision. Substitutions go in front of the public table so the referee can see you. again to all our kids. Just keep an eye on your kids. Please attend to your kids to prevent avoid any accidents, okay?
1-4 to 3.
Really important, really
Yung
important.
sample, isa lang maano.
Wala na, laglag na eh. Yung ano, di ba? Yung
Simple. Natalo nga natin yung Maple, di ba? Parang naratol kasi sila. Kung sa championship, kung andun ka lang ato, baka champion kami. Hindi pa nga naglaro si Jeremy nun eh, yung mataas.
dati naglaro, di ba?
Oo. Pero wala yung mga puti.
Yung puti, mag-isipot, no?
Oh, magsipag. Maraming hangin.
If it's up to me, we're all gonna go home. It's way too late for this game. Mag-upload ka na. Pangitain yan, Trey. Pangitain. Pag pumasok, maganda
Bro.
pangitain yan.
Sige.
Paano yan?
Start na tayo. Lima lang sila. Andun si Pintoy. Ha?
Game na?
Guys, if you're ready, then we're all ready. First fight, first fight. Huwag na natin patagalin ito, gabi na. First fight, let's go, let's go, let's go. Good luck to both teams, good luck to both teams. Ay, official ball, official ball. Good luck to both teams, good luck to both teams. Pasukan siya, good luck to both teams, let's do this! Ketoy, ang number mo, Ketoy! Ang number mo? Right?
Point home. Scorpion Heights, guys.
Scoreboard, .5 home, 49 yes. Let's go! Ayun, Darwin, nakuha na agad si Jet. Jet, wag gabo ni Jonathan. Uy, pushing pa rin agad. Yes,
Maaga.
first person of Jet, first team out.
Maaga.
Okay, si Jeremy, to Kevin, tumira ng 3. No good, rebounded, Jonathan. Binigay kay Alfred. Alfred, muntik na masundok Jeremy! Ayun na! Si Jeremy, batayan niya ang guys. First basket kay Jeremy. Darwin, no good. Kevin with the rebound. Tope! Tope, bigyan Tope! Mawala! Tope! Nakita na naman si Jeremy, binigay kay Jonathan Marciano, Jonathan tumira. Apply. Kick! Bernard! Easy 2, Bernard! Ayan na. Tope, si Jeremy, sizing on the defense. Jeremy from way down, Jeremy! Sabi niya, hindi ka matayan mo yan. Jeremy, back 3. Bernard, Darwin, binigay, Darwin, hindi ka sutot. Darwin, binigay kay Bernard ulit. Bernard, top line. Alfred, rebound. Jeremy again. Tope! No good. And the ball will go to the black team. 0-2 from the free throw line. After the 3-point line, Darwin at Pedro rebound. Uy, ang mga palaban! Yan, a foul! Number 9, sino yun?
1-9 si ano, si Jet.
Ay, si Jet, second team foul, Jet, ha? Second team foul. Uy, ganda.
Ay, mga 5 minutes. Wala na mo, pre, ah.
Supply pareho! Uy! Grabe yung mga talo ni Kevin. Darwin, ikaw. Uy, butik na! Nakawala! Si Bernard! Uy, clean block yun! Ayan na naman si Jeremy! Pinabayaan na naman! Pero supply, where is Jeremy? Kevin na natin! Keith! Oh! First basket by Keith! 2-point lead! 2-point lead! Point. Jeremy, rising up the deep. Jeremy, attacking Jeremy, kick out to Tope. Shout out to the youngsters coming in tonight. Shout out.
Saan yung ano dito? River. Ha? Amin.
Yes, sir! Bernard again! In the basket. Uy, pati na yung isa.
Ano na?
Tama yan. Sige, isa lang namang nila. Tama na.
Darwin! Going back to the black team, a 2-point lead, 3 point. Bernard, inside pass, nawala. And the ball will remain in the black team. Two-point lead, white team. No good. Okay. Uy, ikaw, buti ka magkabanggaan. Alfred, and a foul.
Time up!
Timeout, black team. Third team foul, Scotty Knight. First personal team.
Welcome to the 2026 FBL Sports events. Get ready for an incredible
White team
season
at
of
one
energy,
time out there for black
community,
team
and
over
high-stakes
Ghana.
competition right here in Fredericton. We are honored to introduce our title sponsor for this year, Taco Boys Fredericton. Thank you for your incredible support in bringing our community.
Thank you
Tay.
for coming in tonight. Please see you
Tay.
again. Please come again. Thank you. Sino yung foul? Number 6?
Yung wala sa inyo, baso.
Sino yung foul? Ikaw?
26.
Adriano Bernardo. Bernardo, first personal. Working for penalty. Uy,
Ano
pasok!
ba yan, Brad? Ha?
1 of 2 from the free throw line. First, wala! Oh! Clean block. The ball will remain in the black team. 3-point lead.
Lahat na
3 points.
Yung walang pirmato ng pangalan.
Capaccio.
William, wala pa si William.
Bernard attacking. Bernard with the step. Jeremy attacking. Jeremy with a shot. Jeremy with a miss. Defense to Bernard. Bernard. Ayan na. Late. 1 point lead down. 3 points. 1 point lead. Inside pass to Alfred. Alfred nawala. Hit. Yes, yes. Hit to Bernard. Bernard. To Bernardo. Bernardo. Sayang. Tope. 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 Binigay kay Jonathan. Jonathan. Rebound pa rin. Jonathan. First time in the ball game. 3-point lead. Beat. Beat. Step up. Beat. Uy, ayaw talaga. Uy, Pasyo. Pasyo. First basket. Sa road game. Jeremy. No good. Very nice. Steven. Steven. Keep nawala. Jeremy attacking. Jeremy to Jonathan. Oh, good. Jonathan again. And a foul. Reese, what's your number, Reese? Reese, number 7. Kevin, ay ano, Tope, ano pangalan yung number 3? Brandon. Zone. Race zone. Very nice. And the ball will go to the right team. Present to Jeremy. Jeremy again. Guys, somebody guard Jeremy, please. Jeremy waiting 3. Oh! Ayaw talaga! Alfred, 3. Setting up. Oh! Stolen! Nice steal by Bernard! And a foul! Jeremy, first personal. First team foul. What shot? Oh, out of bounds. Nag-defensive player. And the first quarter! 6-point lead! 3 points!
Connection na lang eh. Connection na. Ang Jason, agent ng manager dyan, Jason. Umutaw ko yung mga rin.
Ha?
And again, this ball game is brought to you by Taco Boy! Frank Maloney with the Experience by Perfection. And of course, our team and Madam Day, Plus Mortgage has
Wala kayong...
And again, thank you to everyone who came and support their own team. Thank you for supporting the team. Let's go! Team point squad!
Parang medyo matangkad sila. Parang medyo matangkad yung team nila, pre.
Let's go!
Yan sa mga puti.
Oo, ganda yan.
Si
Sana
Aaron.
maglaro lang lahat.
Jeremy to Kevin, in a pull-up jumper from Kevin. Uy, tapos! Ang tira, recorder, sayang. Kevin, to Ken. Ken, defender. Jeremy again. Jeremy to Reese at the corner. Reese, bounce pass to Kevin. Oh, Kevin, Brandon.
puti, may mayabang dun eh.
Jeremy
Yung isa.
again. Deep with a shot, no good. Jeremy again, Jeremy to me. And the ball is over the red team.
Kasi di ba may nag-jump din sa kabila. Yung matangkad sa puti. Ano yun? O yung malaki. Macho.
Bernardo, no good. Zero to Jeremy. Substitution. Darwin going in with Bernardo.
Sinong wala?
Wala si Freeman, saka si
Oo nga pala, no?
Ketoy. Kick out to Reed. To Kevin again, Kevin. No good.
Wala namang maano sa open eh. Lahat naman siya pasok.
Game, Bernard to win. Oh, Jeremy Lewis passing. Jeremy. Oh, and you to Brandon. That's the back action for Brandon.
Three point.
And that's a free for Darwin. Reed with a three. See got the Brandon open up. Brandon with a
Tumintin. Balay. 14 ba?
Brandon to Kevin. My turn, Kevin. The last year. Darwin to win. So good. Offside toucher. But Jeremy got the ball. Jeremy, taking big. Jeremy with a shot. Jeremy with a miss. Darwin again. Darwin trying to QSC. Darwin. No good. Kevin, lumipad! Kevin na naman! Substitution! Pag lumipad si Kevin, alam mo din. Ben, with an open look. Ben, ayaw talaga. Double digit lead, 0.5. 3 points. Reed with a shot! Reed with a three! First basket of the ball game by Reed. 16-point lead. Steven, Tumira! Steven! Second basket of the ball game by Steven. Jeremy. Kentoy. Reed! No good. Kevin with a rebound. Kevin with a stroke and a foul. Time out! 19. Jet, third personal, Jet. First team foul, Scorpion Knights. And again, this ball game is brought to you by Apple Boy. Select and loading with the extra real team high guard feature. 8 rounds for the Let's go!
mas maganda yan. Shooter.
Sab daw.
Pag pumasok.
Kevin! Substitution! Double digit lead, 16 point lead. As a reminder, bakit natin? Attention, kids, guys, please, iwas tayo, subscribe. Yes, sir! Win! From downtown! Please, yes, come along! Guys, please, one more! Fine! Nothing but air! Substitution, Brandon going in for Jeremy. Ilang 13 point lead in favor of the 45 team. Brandon again. Brandon to Kent. Kent attacking. Kent to Brandon. Brandon to Jonathan. Jonathan. Keith the handle. Keith the spin. Keith with the step. And a foul! Keith cutting through 3 defenders. Jonathan first personal, second team, first team foul, 45. Keith! Basketball, okay lang yan. 2 of 2 from the video line team. Here to Brandon. Brandon. Kobe. Oh, nice defense from Steven. Team again. Team. Brandon again. Brandon. And a follow-up from Brandon.
Hindi na nagkukutsara, pre. Nakakain na lang yung kutsara, tinidor.
Darwin! Ayaw talaga, sir! Tingnan na rebound. Out to Brandon! Brandon, Reese with an open look. Reese Pashidi. Reese with a 3. Darwin will step back. Darwin! Uy, pasok ba? Pasok sa labas. Brandon, the ball will remain in the white team. Oh no, the black team. The ball will go to the black team. Darwin heading to defenders. Beat again! Ayaw talaga! Rebound to the Kobe. Long pass to Reese. And 1.
Rizzy.
Substitution. 2 shots for Reese Pashidi. Yes, sir.
Ano yun, Kuya Jin? Ano yun?
Yes, sir. 2 of 2. From the free throw line, Reese. Bernardo to Bernard. To Darwin. Isa pa! Uy, nagdalawang isip. Nice pa! Uy! Nagkulang sa Pekto. Ang tirang season. Reese again! Oh, where miss? Brandon with a catch with a follow. And Brandon with a steal. Brandon to get again and get with a steal.
the 2026 FBL Sports events. Get ready for an incredible season of our community and high-stakes competition right here in Fredericton. We are honored to introduce our title sponsor for this year, Taco Boys Fredericton. Thank you for your incredible support in bringing our community together. A huge shout out to our gold sponsor, Acevedo Property and Equipment Rental. Your commitment to local sports makes all the difference for our athletes. Next, we recognize our silver sponsor, Glazalore with EXP Realty. Thank you for your professional partnership and dedication to the FBL family. We are also proud to have Viscount Kitchen Fiesta as a silver sponsor, bringing amazing flavor and support to our local community events. And thank you to Lechel Tacta and Ken Martinez, our silver sponsor mortgage brokers, for helping us reach new heights this season. Join us every Sunday night at Connaught Gym. Let's make this season legendary. Thank you to all our sponsors and fans.
Yung malaki. Nagdadang.
Yun ang mas nila. Anong mas mo?
Labong.
Ha?
Labong.
Kilabong? Di ba may itim din kayo? Kasi hindi naglalaro masyado.
Oo, hindi marunong. Ba't hindi marunong yun?
Marunong siya. Wala kasi kasama. Di ba pagpantay? Tumatag ko na sila. Walang kukuha nung isa pa. Bugay daw yung tagot daw yung training nila.
Yan.
Gabi na. Kaya yun. Tama lagi na. Yung ano, yung sila na si Paulo. Ano yung lalo rin? Wala rin. Kita ko yung tayo lang. Kasi wala rin eh. Like tayo yun, di ba? Pala siya eh. Magala dito yung combination. Ay, meron ko na kami. Nakabot. Eh? Ano ko na? Kumain ka. Ano ni Kuya Bong sa
Let's go, let's go, let's go! Let's finish this! May mag-aalaga pa ng mga bata! Let's do this! Ilang points please, coach? 23?
22.
22 points please! 3 points! Kaya-kaya pa yan! Last team! Wala lang! Yes! Kick out to Bill! Bill! Yes, sir! Uy, sayang! Outside to the rebound. Jeremy again. Jeremy with a step back. Jeremy. By Jeremy. Bernard. Uy! Sayang. Ken. Tope. Oh my God! Highlight! What a shot by Kevin! Ang ganda na bigay nito, Ken. Ah! That's it!
Wow, okay, good.
Gilian! Jeremy with that three! Kumpita na yan, pre! And a foul! Keith, second personal, first team foul. Coach United. Pagod pa siya, pre. Marami yata gawa, pre. Pagod talaga. Kentoy, nagsimay na sa kabila. Kentoy, we have the shot. 23.3. Big, and a foul.
White strike, 7.
Sabi, reklamo ba? Foul na nga eh. Isang foul lang eh, reklamo pa eh. Grabe ka mo dyan. Darwin, sabi. Tope, first time lang tope ah. Oh, Kevin again! Air, Kevin! Umana na naman. Air, Kevin. Big, mag-isa lang. Big, to Bernard, to Jet, to Darwin. Way downtown, masyado malakas. Tope. Tope, malaksa. Tope, hindi pa lang. Jet, Jet, ako na lang. Oh! Jet, may langis! May langis sa bola! Jet, may langis! Nasobra sa gigil ko eh! Nasobra sa gigil! Tope! Para 3! Nang gigil si Jet eh! Darwin! 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 Ayaw talaga! Kevin! Kevin to Jeremy! Jeremy, I got this! Yes, sir! Jeremy!
Baka.
He's so good!
Oh!
Oh, what's up? And Jeremy again! Jeremy again! Back-to-back from Jeremy.
Yeah, everything, bro.
And the ball will remain with nothing to Jen, nothing to Jen. Jen coming in for Jeremy. Jen with a spin, Jen with a shot. And a foul.
Foul!
Take a foul, take a foul. Who's foul, Red? Who's foul? Who's your foul? 21. Thank you. Go!
Okay na, panalo naman na kayo eh.
Ikaw daw pa eh. Ikaw daw pa eh.
Nakapuntos din!
Jet to the shot. Pasok ba? Sino yun? Kevin naman.
Kevin.
Ayaw talaga! Ayaw talaga! That's it! And a foul! Bernard, second personal. Second team foul. Scorpion Knight. Brandon, 2 shots. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Brandon. 2 of 2. Kevin to Brandon, kick out to Tope, no good. And a foul! Tope, second personal, second team foul. Maple Leaf. Substitution. Jonathan going in for the break. James. O drop pass to Jet. Jet, 314. Jet, ayaw pa rin talaga. Nice feed from the black, from the white team. Brandon. Brandon, Jonathan, that was good. Kevin, to Reed, to Brandon. With Bernard, ayaw talaga. Nice drop pass from Brandon to Jonathan. Darwin madula sa bola. Darwin, yes sir, ayaw talaga. Darwin, one more. Darwin, ayaw pa rin talaga. Reed. Reed to Brandon. With an easy dunk from Brandon. Reed, ayaw talaga, sir. Big on by Darwin to big. Keep to the basket. Reed to Brandon again, kick out to Reed with an open look. Reed for a three. Gigi.
Wala.
Ayaw para may harang ko eh. Kevin with a pass to Reed. Huge pass from Reed to Brandon. And the Showtime, Brandon!
Mahala.
Get! Kalaw dadagdag ni si Kitty! Kitty, nakatayo yun ko eh.
Welcome to the 2026 FBL Sports events. Get ready for an incredible season of energy, community, and high-stakes competition right here in Fredericton. We are honored to introduce our title sponsor for this year, Taco Boys Fredericton. Thank you for your incredible support in bringing our community together. A huge shout out to our gold sponsor, Acevedo Property and Equipment Rental. Your commitment to local sports makes all the difference for our athletes. Next, we recognize our silver sponsor, Glazalore with EXP Realty. Thank you for your professional partnership and dedication to the FBL family. We are also proud to have Viscount Kitchen Pinoy Fiesta as a silver sponsor, bringing amazing flavor and support to our local community events. And thank you to Lechel Tacta and Ken Martinez, our silver sponsor.
The last quarter!
Oo nga.
March break din na kayo?
Get!
Ang dami.
Miss by Steven again, follow up
Ang kadi.
Yes! Over, ayaw ba ito now? Brandon to the now. Long pass to Reed, no defense. Reed, the skate. Lead for the three. No good. Darwin. Darwin. Stephen. Oh! I think Brandon got some got a part of the ball there. Brandon. To Alfred. No good. To Jeremy. No pass to Tope. Eddie, wow.
Hindi ba?
Hey!
Sino na Tope? Kaya ka pa.
Buti yung ano eh? Ha?
Tope, malo!
I think. Giving.
Eddie, wow.
Giving.
Basket for Tope.
Ginaginabi ko yan.
And the ball will go back to the white team.
Ayaw naka-eyeglass?
Jeremy. Reed. Attack. Alfred, no good. Darwin to Heath. Mag-isa lang. Heath. Yes, sir. Heath. Kaya ba yan? 40 guys. Tiwala lang. 49. Darwin with the rebound. Darwin, here we go. The last one. Brandon to the steal. Brandon, how do you read? Wait a minute. Darwin! Ano ba tayo? Dito lang ako eh. Brandon, Jeff, and a foul. Jeff, fighting Jeff. Substitution. Oh, time out, Bernie. Time out. Black team have one timeout left. White team have two timeouts left. Just a reminder. And again, this ball game is brought to you by Taco Boy, Slice and Lori, 5 Guard Kitchen, 812 Mortgage Halifax, and Asabella Property and Equipment. Thank you for supporting the league.
Puro Pilipino lang naglaro ka. Saan? Walang. Bakit?
Wala eh. Ganun din ako. Pagka nga nag-iayos sa amin kasi minsan wala silang play.
Pagkatapos nito, mag-Sunday na lang kayo?
Dito?
No? Balik tayo sa journey.
Nice team from nice team. White team. Oh,
Hanggang doon lang tayo eh.
Hanggang doon lang tayo.
Summer may ano daw kukuha.
Oh, where is my lead? Bernardo, the way Bernardo! Suki!
Makasapin natin.
Sasapin natin siguro.
Hindi ko naman sinabi.
Bernardo!
July.
Bernardo, first basket of the ball game.
July siguro start.
Jeremy with an open look. Oh, wait. By Jeremy. He's on the way. Yes, sir. Kaya pa yan, Scorpion. Tiwala lang. Bigay kay Keith. Yes, lead block. Ibang player na ito. Steven Jeremy. Tope. Tope to Jeremy again. Jeremy. Guarded by Steven. Jeremy. To Dantes. Lost it. Oy! Up to that. O doon na sa bola. Jeremy. Jeremy to me. Read back to Jeremy. Jeremy, I got it. Rare miss by Jeremy. He.
Ano sila eh, ano silang pagdating mga
With a slam dunk.
Tira mo na yan!
Jen! Ayaw talaga! Dakdak ko rin, Jen! And a layup from me.
Nabigat katawan yan.
Why, sibig sa daw! Sibig sa daw! And the ball will go to the white team.
Kasi,
Preston! Oh! Steal from Steven! Nice defense from Steven! Steven with a shot! Steven! No good! Quick! Give it! Tope! 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 CP7! CP7 for the three!
Fourth na ito, no? Fourth na yan.
Bernardo attacking! Bernardo with the layup! Bernardo with the shot! That's right, 89. That's it for me. Steven with the basket as well. Oh! Another basket by Brandon. Nag-usap-usap yung comedy table. Extended na, wala na 3 minutes. Steven, with a shot.
You can just run it straight time with that gap.
Yeah. Reed again for a three.
6-4!
Jet with a missed dunk. A missed dunk from Jet. Oh! Heat, alley-oop. Oh, sayang oh. Score. Another shot by Brandon. Brandon again. Again. Nice game, guys! Nice game for both teams! Not good. 3 points with an easy win!
Welcome
Nice
to the
game from the Black
2026
team as well.
FPL
Nice
Sports
game.
event. Get ready for
Final
an
score,
incredible season of energy,
139.
community, and high-stakes competition right here in
Good job, Caleb. Wonderful job. Good work.
Welcome to the 2026 FBL Sports events. Get ready for an incredible season of energy, community, and high-stakes competition right here in Fredericton. We are honored to introduce our title sponsor for this year, Taco Boys Fredericton. Thank you for your incredible support in bringing our community together. A huge shout out to our gold sponsor.
Good game, football team. Jeremy, play of the ball game.
Your commitment to local sports makes all
Jeremy,
the difference
play of the
for
ball
our
game,
athletes.
guys.
Next,
Jeremy,
we
Jeremy.
recognize our silver sponsor, Glaze Allure with eXp Realty.
Nice game, man. Jeremy.
It's live, man.
Welcome to the 2026 FBL Sports events. Get ready for an incredible season of energy, community, and high-stakes competition right here in Fredericton. We are honored to introduce our title sponsor for this year, Taco Boys Fredericton. Thank you for your incredible support in bringing our community together. A huge shout out to our gold sponsor, Acevedo Property and Equipment Rental. Your commitment to local sports makes all the difference for our athletes. Next, we recognize our silver sponsor, Glaze Allure with eXp Realty. Thank you for your professional partnership and dedication to the FBL family. We are also proud to have Viscount Kitchen Pinoy Fiesta as a silver sponsor, bringing amazing flavor and support to our local community events. And thank you to Lechel Tacta and Kim Martinez, our silver sponsor mortgage brokers, for helping us reach new heights this season. Join us every Sunday night at Connaught Gym. Let's make this season legendary. Thank you to all our sponsors and fans.
Asan yung